doesn't go?
Just Dipta.
Aggressive.
Where is this train?
Right
Here
now.
it comes down.
There.
Oh,
Double decker, mate.
What?
Double decker. Alright, let's go.
Katarina said, Talia, you make me laugh. We are having sleepovers. I told Steph to get those drinks from Bubba Devil, you know those diet ones?
Yeah.
Have you seen them? They can actually have them good for diabetes. Charlie, do you want to go get dog bones